Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with a couple of our Roto-Edge ID mounted pipe beveling machines. Here we have one of the smaller machines in the range, the Roto-Edge 30E, which is ideal for small tube and pipe beveling. Here we have one of the larger pipe beveling machines, the Roto-Edge 252E, which is ideal for heavier pipe beveling. Both machines clamp to the workpiece with a self-centering mandrel. A range of pipe beveling machines are available with electric or pneumatic motors. The milling cutters can be supplied with different beveling angles, depending on your beveling requirements. There are milling cutters available for carbon, stainless steels and other alloys. All our beveling machines are compact, lightweight and easy to maintain. The high torque gearbox maintains constant cutting force for smooth, efficient beveling. The SMG Roto-Edge pipe beveling machines have proven to be extremely robust and reliable. If you need more assistance with your pipe beveling application, please contact us, we'll be pleased to help you.